We are getting so close to finishing, you guys. Today I'm going to show you how to put laces through your newly set grommets. As always, if I'm speaking too slow in the video for you, feel free to hit that playback speed button so you can watch it at a faster rate. Now you're probably wondering why I am lacing it up and trying it on before finishing the binding. That is because this is the point where I can decide if I need more bones, less bones, or if I need to fix anything in the pattern. We don't want to finish it up all the way and find, uh-oh, we need to add more bones. When you are making even a mock-up, you want to do it as close to an authentic corset as possible because that is the only way you are going to get a true idea of how it's going to fit. It is a lot of work, but it is so worth it in the end. With that being said, let's get started with some lacing. I finished setting all the grommets, so now we are going to lace it up and test the fit before we finish up our corset. So basically I have taken about 6 yards of grosgrain ribbon. You can also use satin or nylon lacing. I just had grosgrain on hand, so that is what I'm going to use. I have folded my lace in half and made a little knot at the top. Then I went from the back out, crisscrossed them, went down in again, crossed them, and they have come back out. So kind of like regular shoelaces, we are making X's because X's are easiest to pull when you are lacing yourself up. So again, down in, up, out, and then up, out. Now, I have my waist tape right here between these two grommets. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the right hand side, and this is going to go to the bottom grommet at my waist tape. This is going to give us extra strength, and you'll see why in just a second. Then I'm going to take that same ribbon, and I'm going to put it back through the top, like so, and leave a little bit of a bunny ear. Now for the other side, go through the grommet at the bottom of the waist tape, through and in at the top of the waist tape, leave a little bunny ear. And now that we have our tails, we're gonna go back in and out, like so, back, in and out, and continue making X's until we get to the bottom. Now, how many X's you make, as well as kind of how you start, will depend on how many grommets you have, so you might have to do this a couple times to get it perfect. But by then, you'll be a pro at lacing, so no harm, no foul, right? All right, and there we go. We are at the bottom. Now you're probably going, Nicole, what do I do with the raw ends? Well, you're just going to tie them like so. And a nice tight knot so they won't pull out. And then we are going to pull our excess up. I'm going to shimmy it a little bit wider, and then pull our excess into our bunny ears at our waist. Now you're probably wondering, why do bunny ears at the waist? And that's because this is going to give us the best grip at the waist to get a nice tight lace. It's going to allow the most tension at the waist and allow us to really make sure that that knot is going to come out and we get even lacing and pressure all the way. And then I like to go back and undo the top here. Again, pull it out to give ourselves room. Just like so. All right, now I'm going to show you guys how to put it on. All right, so now it's time to try on the corset. So how we are going to do this is, we obviously know our top and bottom at this point. You're going to undo the busk like so. And then you want to make sure that you have lots of lacing available, loosened at the back. I like to do this little shimmy thing. Works out pretty well. Some loose. From there, you're going to bring it around yourself. And you're going to do up the pins. I like to kind of do the bottom and then kind of push everything into place like so. From there, you kind of want to make sure the waist tape is sitting right in your waist like that. Then you're going to start pulling the bunny ears like so. And then once you kind of can't get any more tension from that, you're going to start pulling on the X's like so until you ease all of the excess into the waist. Now with the lacing like this, the bunny ears style that I showed now with the lacing like this, the bunny ear style, the top lace of the bunny ear pulls the bottom lace of the bunny ear pulls the top. So you can start shimmying them back and forth until it laces up how you desire. You also want to make sure that the lacing panel stays straight. If it's not straight, you probably need to loosen up either the top or bottom, or maybe let something out, just if it looks okay for now. Then you just want to tie it off into a single bow, like so. Oot. And there we go. Look at that shaping, guys. Oh, I'm so happy. So lastly, I think I'm going to cut it down just a little here since it seems to be pushing on my bra. But otherwise, I am very happy with it. So next I need to go and add the binding to the top and the bottom. So I will show you how to do that in my next video. I hope you guys found this information useful. If you did, be sure to share it with your friends. Also, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Remember, cosplay is all about having fun. I love you guys, and I will see you next week. Bye!